Thanks for joining us today to talk a little bit about how to manage your sales and your pipeline within your SalesNexus database. This is a really core function for you as a salesperson, so let's get started by taking a look at that. So once you've logged into your database, what I've done here is pull up your opportunities listing. So this will basically help you manage and understand where you're at in that process with each of your opportunities. The default list here is showing all dates for you as the signed-in user, and it's also showing all of your opportunities. That includes any open opportunities in your pipeline, anything that you've won, and any sales that you've closed as a lost deal. So I'm going to limit this right now to just take a look at what our open opportunities are. So that helps you narrow it a little bit. Again, you can choose to look at everything that you want to look at. Let's say at the end of the month you want to take a quick look and make sure that you've logged all of your sales that you won for that particular month. So right now, again, we're going to look at the open opportunities. So this will help you have a quick listing of the open sales opportunities that you have in your pipeline. You can open those sales opportunities up to view the data and the detail. This is your contact over here that the opportunity is for. You can update your sales stage here. I'm just going to do a quick update there and save that. So we've updated the sales stage of that particular opportunity. You can, of course, also go over here and take a look at any information there that you want to add or change. You can, of course, create a new layout here should you choose to do that, so you can only see specific things that you want within your opportunity. You can take a look here if you need to delete this opportunity from your listing for any reason, if you want to complete it or close it as a won or lost deal, or if it's a closed deal and you want to reopen it to make some changes, add notes, things of that nature. You can, of course, also create a new opportunity for this particular contact. What I'm going to do there is go up to our opportunities and select to create a new opportunity. I'm just going to choose a different contact to do that for. So now I'm in that contact record for that particular contact that I'd like to create an opportunity for. I'm going to make an update here to say hopefully in about 10 days I'll close a sale for this particular contact. I'm going to put in a number of units, if you will. To put in a dollar amount. This will automatically calculate it based on the number of units. So if I change that to 2, that's going to update the amount here. I'm going to select that I'm in the early stage for this particular opportunity. You can also associate it with a group if you have any groups affiliated with this contact and built into your database. I'm going to go ahead and save that new opportunity. And you will get a verification that you've created a new sales opportunity for that particular contact. So let's go back over and take a quick look at our opportunities here. And you can see now you have that opportunity listed in your listing of open opportunities. Again, you have a few options here. Before we move forward in the opportunity itself, I would like to call out that you can also make a different change to the view that you're looking at here. So if you have any other information that you'd like to look at when you're looking at that list of your opportunities, let's say that you also want to list the probability of closing that deal. And you want to put that up here with the amount. So let's save that change really quickly. And now you'll see here that that column that we just added is now on your overview report. So let's go back into that opportunity. Again, you have the options here to make any changes. You can also do the changes over here if you'd like to add any information on this side of the screen for that particular opportunity. So now as I'm looking at my open opportunities here, I have a few different options up here where I can create another opportunity right here from this screen. I can also export this list or print this list if I need that for another purpose. So again, this is a great way to manage your sales opportunities and your sales pipeline and understand what's happening. I'm going to go back up here and take a quick look I also want to see the opportunities that I've closed or won. And let's say I want to just see that for a particular date range. So let's say I want to look at last month. So from the 1st of May to the end of May, I'd like to see the deals that I closed in that particular month. So I'm going to take the open opportunities out of there. So now I have a comprehensive list with my details and everything else that I show that I want to see here. But it gives me a quick view and tells me what activities I've closed or what sales I've closed. We're going to cover this a little bit more in another video on reporting and dashboards, but this is a really great quick look for you to be able to manage your pipeline and see what's happening within that pipeline. You're also always able to also open up the contact record here, should you like to make any updates or changes here. And you can take a quick look on this side of the screen and look at the sales that you have for this particular contact as well. And it's going to show you in detail those opportunities that you closed or won. If you have any other open opportunities for this particular contact, those will show up here as well. So very similar list to what we saw in the open opportunities, but this is simply a list specific to this particular contact. So again, we're looking at our overview list of the closed opportunities that we had for the previous month. And again, you have many options here where you can pull a specific date range. You can also take a look if you work in conjunction with another representative. Maybe you want to see what they've closed as well. So you can simply select that particular rep. And then you'll be able to also look at the opportunities that they have closed. Again, you can take a look at different reps within your group. I'm going to update this to all users. And this is the particular rep that I was taking a look at, so I could see what was happening within his database. And right now I'm looking at his closed opportunities. If I want to take a look at the open opportunities for him, then I'd make that selection as well, and it will update accordingly. Again, this is a great tool to help you manage your pipeline and see what's going on within your pipeline from an open or closed perspective, either way. And again, we're going to jump into a little bit more of this detail from a high-level reporting as far as dashboards and reports. So I hope that you found this video helpful today, and I hope that you have great success in managing your pipeline. Thanks for joining us.